Autumn morning. The Dinston Golf Club Walk Vlog Diary. Oh yeah. Morning. Morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm just taking a walk. I've just discovered this place.
It's lovely.
So-
isn't it?
Yes.
In the middle of nowhere.
Gosh, it's huge.
You should see. So there's a herd of deer.
There.
Deer.
Yes.
So they come out. They just hide in the bushes and they come out and wander around at this
Oh.
time in the morning. So if you have a wander through the golf course,
Yes.
sometimes the deer come out in early morning.
Okay.
If you're walking through,
Yes.
you have to be very careful if people are hitting
Mm-hmm.
golf balls so you don't get hit.
Yes. They always said, is it left or something?
Well, this is the first here.
Yes.
So they stand here and they hit across the path.
Okay.
So if you ever want to walk up or down the path, you
Yes.
stop at like the big trees,
Yes.
wait until they hit,
Yes.
or wait until they wave you through.
Okay then.
And as you're walking through, there's certain points where people will be about to tee off or hit.
Yes.
You stand still,
Okay.
you wait until they hit
Yes.
so that they can concentrate, and then you carry on walking through.
Yes.
It's kind of the etiquette on the golf course.
Yes.
You can't walk on the golf course, but you're allowed to walk through the golf course.
Through. Okay.
So you're allowed to walk through the path, through the road, but not on the grass.
Oh yes.
Is
That's
that
fine.
okay?
Yes, that's fair enough. Yes.
And you can always pop in for a cup of tea or a coffee anytime you want.
Thank you very
Okay.
much. All right.
Enjoy yourself.
Okay. Hello. Yeah, good morning. Yes, I sort of discovered this place, so I'm just getting a feel for it. I don't live too far from
Okay.
here, but it's the first time I actually come this way, so someone was just explaining to me how it works.
Ah,
Yeah, so is this the only shop here?
the shop, yeah, this is the golf shop for
Oh,
the golf club, obviously.
okay.
Yeah.
All right. Wow, it's huge. Are you say you've got larger ones than this?
Yeah, if you go to different golf clubs, you'll find different sizes of shop, yeah.
No, I mean the course.
Oh, of course, yeah. I mean, obviously the footprint of golf courses just change depending on the size of property and the amount of land. But yeah, it's for the location in the city, it's quite a big area. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you walked round the grounds?
I'm about to do so now.
Okay, just be careful if you are walking around. Obviously, there's golf in play.
Yes. It's huge.
Did you walk down the main drive?
Yes,
Have you come this
yes.
way? Yeah. So
I always go for morning walks, but I said I'll maybe it's the mist. The morning mist.
Oh, the mist, yeah.
So
yeah.
I was passing along the innocent path
Yeah.
and I saw it and it's like, wow.
Oh, the Innocent Railway, yeah,
Backdrops, yes.
yeah. So to get back on that though, you do have to go back out
out.
to the
That's
There's
fine, fair enough.
there's no other entrance or exit on this property. The only other way out of the grounds here,
Mm-hmm.
if it's not that way, is you follow that. Do you see where this person is with a fluorescent jacket
Yes.
on the
Let me
bike?
see. Yes,
They're
yes.
coming down a path. If you go up
Oh,
that,
okay,
takes
yes.
it takes you out to the Mansion House gates. Yeah.
Okay. I have a picture of this place. It's
Did I borrow the key for the flat? Just need to look after the electric room or something.
It's really. So is it like busier during summer though?
Of course, yeah. I mean, obviously, golf's more of a summer sport. It does get quite damp and cold here in the winter, so there's only
Only the
select
bravest of the
exactly,
bravest.
the bravest of the brave, exactly that.
The hardest Scotsman or Englishman,
Yeah.
yeah, or woman.
Oh, well, we don't discriminate against anyone.
Our
who wants
woman,
to play in those,
yes.
yeah, exactly.
Anyone,
If they're daft enough, they can play. It doesn't matter where they come from.
yes. I'm from the tropics, so it's always hot. Jamaica.
How's this?
Yeah, they
temperature
play a
for
lot
you?
of golf there. Trial Golf Course. That's just outside Montego Bay.
Yeah.
So they play a lot of golf in Jamaica, you know. So, but it's always tropical.
I was going to say, how's this temperature for you? Are you managing?
Acclimatized.
You've been here a little while, have you?
Yes.
Good.
Yeah. Thank
Very
you
good.
very much.
No
It's
problem.
I go explore.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
no problem. As I say, just be careful where you're walking because obviously there's golf going back and forth this direction. So if you're heading out that path,
Yes.
as you're going up, make sure to look to your left
Look to
as
your
you're going over. And if there's anyone about to play, you need to
You
give them
stop.
the right of way.
Wait,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, thanks.
Okay.
So,
Me, Titus 2, and Ricky. Me, Titus 2, that.
it's so
You've got to get the pound now, we'll make it a penny again. Oh, we need that.
aha. Thank God.
Aye, there's no. We'll give you the pound now, boys.
That wasn't our usual.
Yeah. You starting the camera now?
Hmm?
You starting the camera?
So who is it in this one now?
This is the champion.
Is that true? Well, we'll see the first shot how far it goes. Let's.
Chump, maybe, no champ.
Watch it. Good one.
Way up towards the bunker.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Oh, that's not so bad.
Oh, another one in the deck.
I wouldn't bother with this lot. This lot are useless, so don't bother filming them.
So how many normally start at the beginning? Just how many people are available at the
It
time?
depends how many the group is. So here it was 6, so 2 threes.
Two or three.
And we
Okay.
have a wee team game.
Okay.
Usually it's 4, 2 against 2 would be the
Four.
best way. But as I say, don't film them because they are useless. This other lot.
So is it the last person who hit the ball is the champion? Yes.
Not really,
Just saying.
because I
I'm
wasn't last.
joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Oh gosh. Oh.
Have a good game, boys. Thank you. John.
This is really nice. So that way. Mm.